for Hollywood.
Here's your E on the B with D. Daniels.
Hey, welcome to E on the B. What are you doing? What are you doing? Where have you been? What are you doing? So anyway, it's powered by Wade Chicks Chrysler of Culpeper. Hey, check it out. Stop by. Check out all the new Chrysler, Dodge, Jeep, and Ram vehicles. Summer clearance event still going on. Yes, it is. ChryslerofCulpeper.com, where the shit happens, baby. Okay, listen, here's some interesting news. Let's talk about American Idol for just a little teeny tiny second. So later this week, we're expecting the official word that Jennifer Lopez will be a judge on American Idol, but get this, it could have been Kanye West in the judge's seat. Anyway, so he said he turned down the offer from American Idol because it would ruin his street cred. Yeah, so anyway, he should have gone with the whole excuse of being a new father, right? Who says street cred? Anyway, it's up in the air. Bye, bye, bye. NSYNC could be back together, a little reunion, a moment in time at the MTV VMAs. It could happen. We will see. It's not official yet. However, they took to Twitter yesterday saying it might happen. What do you guys think? And everybody said, wait, who's NSYNC? Bye, bye, bye. Okay, so Simon Cowell finally addressing the baby rumors. He says, yes, he's proud to be a father, which means I think we're going to see a softer side of Simon Cowell, which means maybe he'll stop wearing the V-neck, you know, and showing the chest hair. We'll see. Happy daddy to you. So there you go. He's proud to be a father. We'll see what happens with that when he has to change the diapers. Get all your entertainment news, B1015.com. Keyword E. Mwah!